The bustling town of Tickington was known for one thing: its grand clock tower, its chimes echoing through the streets every hour. But one morning, an unsettling silence fell upon the town. The clock tower remained silent, its hands frozen in time. Oscar, a young clockmaker with a mop of brown hair and twinkling eyes, was the first to notice. Panic surged through the town as the rhythmic chimes, their guide for years, were absent. Shops remained closed, bakers forgot their bread, and children missed their playtime cues. Oscar, determined to mend the silence, rushed to the clock tower. He climbed the creaking wooden stairs, his heart pounding with each step. Reaching the top, he found himself in a magnificent room, gears whirring and pendulums swinging in a mesmerizing dance. But something was wrong. A small, golden bird-shaped weight, crucial for the final chime, lay broken on the floor. This tiny bird, the heart of the clock's song, was missing its delicate chime-producing mechanism. Oscar, known for his resourcefulness, rummaged through his toolbox, filled with cogs, springs, and bits of metal. He carefully examined the broken bird, his brow furrowed in concentration. Days turned into nights as Oscar tirelessly tinkered, his only light the warm glow of an oil lamp. Finally, with a triumphant cry, Oscar held up a tiny hand-crafted metal replica of the broken mechanism. He gently attached it to the bird, his hands steady and focused. Anticipation filled the room as he climbed down to the clock face and carefully reset the hands. With a deep breath, Oscar pulled the lever to start the clock. A tense silence followed, then a beautiful melody filled the air. The missing chime, clear and sweet, joined the chorus of the other chimes, their combined song resonating through Tickington. The town erupted in cheers. Shopkeepers opened their doors, bakers hurried to their ovens, and children raced out to play. Oscar, the curious clockmaker, had not only fixed the clock but had also reminded everyone of the importance of perseverance and the beauty found in even the smallest details.